Testing blue. Okay, I think I'm back to work on the game. It'll be a short one today, because the bulk of the work that is left is stuff that I need to test on mobile, and that's just not very easy for me to do on stream. Right, especially if I need to test on the iOS. Okay. Give me a moment to collect my thoughts. Okay, I think I'm gonna start by fixing a bug. I'll start by fixing a bug first. I think there might be a bug with my cutscene, so let me try it. Run it. I just realized something. I'm building on the iOS. Sorry, just a little bit distracted. Hey, Captain Blade. Is he a dog or is he a grayscale pixel man? I'm both. How's it going, man? I spent the past 2 days just making things work on the iOS. It's quite painful, to be honest. Pretty good. Awesome. Yeah, I'm doing okay. I managed to finally get AdMob to work on the iOS, so that's good. Took me 2 days. Yeah, 2 days, man, just to get that to work. So I'm a little bit tired from doing all that. But I thought I will just stream a little bit, fix some bugs, and then once that is done, I'll call it a night. Did I see the question? Which question? Let me... Which question? Is he a dog or is he a grey scale pixel man? I am both. Grey scale pixel man. Oh, you asked me in the Discord. Whoa, then I don't think I've seen it. Hang on. Oh, I see it now. Do I happen to know how to make collision? Oh, Colorzaw. Hello, Colorzaw. How's it going, man? Do I happen to know how to make collision mask move correctly at the decimal speed? Oh, is the problem... Is it a problem with the B-box left and right being integers only? Is that the problem you have? Hello to you, Colorzaw. I hope you're doing great. Okay, I actually have a helper function to get the actual the actual values as a floating point rather than integer. Let me see if I can find it. I forgot what I did, but it's just a weird workaround. I mean, hang on, let me just look for it. But it should work. See if I can find it. So if you notice, right, I have these functions here. This will give me the non-integer values, so you know, with the decimal places and whatnot. Because the values here are actually rounded off, right? That's why I'm doing this. Do I like your platform progress? Yes, yes, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. But it makes me wonder, what's your intention for the level design? How would everything work? I'm quite interested to find out. You checked your collision mask and it was moving terribly. It kind of fixed it by checking 1 pixel more than the actual bounding. Ah, I see. Yeah, these are the functions I ended up writing just to get the you know, the actual boundaries of the collision box. Lazy fix? Well, if it works, it works. You fix it by checking 1 pixel more. Yeah, I mean, if it works, it's fine. You know? I feel like as long as it works and it doesn't break the game, right? Then you have a good fix. I'll find out in Death Chat 69. All right. You don't have to take a screenshot. Let me paste it. Let me paste it in the Discord for you. Just a moment. Hello Amanda, didn't think I was gonna stream. Yeah, I was basically working on the iOS stuff the entire day, including yesterday. But I reached a point where I think I have progress, so I thought like I'll stream a little bit to, you know, fix some bugs. Fix a bug that I just found out. Let me see if I can fix it. Oh, Albert's looking for people to raid. Please don't raid me. I have nothing interesting on. What bug is it? During the opening cutscene, right, there's this spiky graphics right at the top of the screen. That seems a little bit out of place. Like the positioning is a bit off. And I think it's off because of the slightly different aspect ratio of my phone. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. So I'm trying to test and see if that is actually the problem. Let me just clear data. I can check out Charles' talk that I was there when he was doing it. What makes you think I didn't watch it? You know this song? Alright, man. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm kind of ruining the song with this haunting music. Yeah, it's off. Oh, damn it. Okay, I need to look at it closer. Because I was very busy. Ah, I see. It was during dinner time, so I watched it. No, I mean Chow has been talking about it for like 3 consecutive death chat. Why would I miss it, right? So yeah, I made sure not to miss it. Yeah. Yeah, Captain, you saw that weird thingy, right? Like, as long as when my aspect ratio is like not 9:16, everything goes off a little bit. So I need to look into that. I'm not sure why, to be honest. What? Bad teacher? That's out of nowhere. All of the best commands. Damn. Anyway, today will be a short one. So I want to, there are certain things I need to test on iOS. Oh hey, Hill! How's it going? I haven't seen it in a while. How's it going, man? I'm not quite sure why this is a bit off. And you know, when I make a iOS build, right, there are some weird bugs with GameMaker. Like after I press the play button on my Windows, right, it's supposed to create an Xcode project on the Mac. And sometimes like there is one particular music file, right, that just does not get transferred over consistently. It's weird. Super weird. Dying right now, how's it going? Dying from internship? Oh hey, Hiker. What's up, man? What's up, man? I'm at the phase of development where I'm just working on all of the boring stuff, you know, IAP and whatnot. Not programming for an entire semester on Unity is biting your ass during internship. Right. Internship is when you feel the true stress, I believe. Where you are given work that you are expected to know, but you may not necessarily know. But you know, you can treat it as an experience, you know, to improve yourself. Yeah. I can understand. I understand that feeling. The good thing is that since you are using Unity, right, a lot of the problems that you're encountering, someone else have also encountered it, so it's probably somewhere online. That's the good thing. Excuse me. Okay, so how do I do that thing? Where am I drawing this thing? Where did I create this thing? Instance create. Not this, not... Oh, intro spike, there we go. Here, there we go. Wait a second, I need to take a look at the screen again, at the cutscene again. Hello, I'm Masterminds. Do I know you? You don't want to program anymore. What's up, man? Oops, I need to restart this. Restart all. Wow, what the hell? What was that bug? Why do I laugh at that sentence? No, I laugh because I don't know what else to say. It's a rite of passage, I think. Stop it, guys! Stop it! People can get seasonal depression. Right. Oh, damn it! Damn this command, man. I mean, damn this command. Damn this command. Let me think. Okay, something is wrong with my camera. What? Okay, let me think, Breaking out, enter. Breaking out, oh man, my brain is not working. You and Heike has been doing, or trying to do the, what, same? Both of you are trying to do the same type of code? What are you trying to do? Are you all making a game? Excuse me. Chronic cough. Okay. We tend to get around some order of event issues, right? Non-repetitive generator. I see. But generator of what? What are you generating? Focal point X. Let me see what focal point X does again. Let me check it out. Focal point. That's where I move the camera. Like numbers, okay. Non-repetitive random number generator in that sense. Is it possible for you to make an array of numbers and then you shuffle it? So you can actually find a shuffling algorithm online? Would that work? That way, right, no numbers are repeating. You know, like you have an array, it goes from what, 1 to something, whatever you want, and then you shuffle it. You will be able to find the algorithm online. We've mostly been trying to apply some of the feedback you received on your prototype recently. Something else you wanted to do was to make the items actually interesting, because no one used them. I think one of the reason I did not use them is because the key binding is a bit foreign to me. Like the key binds that you chose it's not something that I'm used to. So it's control, right? Control to use the item. Yeah, it's a bit out of the way, so I did not end up using it. And it could also be that the arrow that I was using used up too much mana. So I think once that is done, right, I would end up using it more. Because like there's moments in the boss fight where it looks like I can use the arrow, right? Yeah, so that part is cool. You use a list, that's fine too. Same difference, right? So you just shuffle it and it should be able to get it to work. Even better, right? When you use an item in the list, you can just erase it, you know. Oh, you changed to Z. Oh, that sounds good. So the good thing is that whether you use a list or an array, the algorithm is the same, right? The logic is the same. Actually, list is better. Yeah, use list. Use list. Okay, let's see. I haven't looked at like this part of my implementation for a while, so I'm not even like fully sure why the bug is there. Maybe I'll do this. Focal point Y, right? I have a focal point Y. I don't get what this line is. I should have commented it out. I mean, I should have commented this line. I should have written like what I'm trying to do with this. Oh wait, I get it now. Okay. I get it. I get it. See if that does anything. You don't know how to display the selected number? You don't know how to display... That is the... You're displaying it through the canvas, right? Oops, sorry, let me just bear with the audio for a while first. Okay, let's check. So it's centralized here, it seems fine. And next time I'll write a proper camera rather than using something like this. Okay, that seems to work now. It seems to work now, but I really don't like that this is so huge. You know how to pick out the number, right? You just don't know how to display it. Well, you can just take the first index, the very first index, index 0 as the number you're selecting. Some feedback you received was that the boss was pretty much impossible to even dodge the first time you... I think the I feel like the key issue with the boss is the projectile is too fast. The projectile that it fires, those are too fast. Everything else is... I quite like the design. Everything else seems fine. Because the boss pattern, it encourages you to dash, right? That part I really like. Yeah, I like that part. You slow it down a lot. Q. Hill, if the problem is with the display, right, I think you can just go to the Unity's official webpage, right, and look for the tutorials on Canvas. I think you should, once you go through that, you should be able to work with it. Speaking of Unity, I actually have not touched Unity for months, I think. I think I touched it briefly in MYP, like just for one lesson. And then that's it. So the entirety of like last semester, I touched Unity for like maybe 1 hour. I think I need to set aside some time this month to practice some Unity as well. Maybe it's time for me to check out Pro Builder. That seems very popular. You made it so that every interactable thing shows an arrow on top, showing that you can interact with it, so it's consistent. Because only some of them had right. Earlier on Albert's stream, we ended up discussing mentor. Right. You know, that's something that I'm very scared to talk about because I know nothing about it. You know, I don't want. I don't like. If I don't know about something, I'm very scared to discuss it. You know, I don't want to spread the wrong message. Okay, there's a game called Jerboa Jump 3D. Like was saying there's such a stigma regarding guys praising other guys. So if you're a dude and you think another dude is handsome, do people not do that? Really? That's just fragile masculinity. Indeed. Okay, I think I fixed one problem, but I need to change something a little bit. This one. You must embrace other hot dudes. No need to say no homo. I have never seen anyone do that. Maybe it's just not. Maybe it's not the culture here. Stigma of dudes showing emotions, right? I am drawing this where? I'm drawing this in GUI layer. Got it. Let me think. I need to do some calculations. Give me a moment. 50. Let's do it. Let's do a 50. Let's put this number here. 50. Saying gay as an insult, that's like 20 years ago or 15 years ago or something. I don't think people do that anymore, right? Okay, I guess some people still do it. Yeah, but for most part, at least here in Singapore, I think that's more or less over. Do people still do that? Let's think, plus 50, plus 50. Okay. This part is wrong. I should be doing this. Display. Get GUI height. Should be doing that, right? Let's see if this works. I'll be quite surprised some people still do. Oh, that's unfortunate. SG is still very close-minded behind closed doors. Like you see the comments from just 2 or 3 years back. I actually don't remember. I don't remember that. Oh, that's unfortunate. Apologies for that noise, yeah. I maybe I should make the ambient noise a bit softer. Oh my god, it's not working. It's not working. Why is it not working? Ah, because it's not GUI height. My bad. Screen. Get height. Screen get bottom. What happened to my autocomplete? Come on. Oh, it's get screen. Ah. Dreaming. Okay. You basically threaten him to take. It's sometimes I can't believe that this kind of thinking still exists in Singapore. It's terrible. Why does it appear like that? Does it appear like that? Let me double check something. Ah. Bottom, spikes bottom. Spike bottom. Spike bottom. Spike bottom. This one is wrong, is it? Excuse me. Something is wrong. Double check. Oh, it's already past 12. Realize. Forgot to lower the volume. So this is fine, but when I change the aspect ratio, everything breaks. But why? Screen center Y. Josiah had the zoomies? Was it after his, after he visited the, what do you call that? After he's done his business. Why is this? I don't get it. I don't get this. Let me do some debugging here. Debug console. Goodness. The little box, yes. Knock down her figurines. I see, I see. Log to screen. I'm gonna log this to screen. I'm gonna log the bottom of this. Gonna log the bottom of the screen. Then going to do this. Bottom. Okay. This is the cam height. You came back to your room after he got scolded? Okay, seems fine, seems fine. After I'm done with this, I should also prepare my next devlog. I'm trying to release one video per week. Okay, come on. So this is fine, right? Seems fine. Now if I have a super weird aspect ratio, things will appear quite different. Oh, I see. Cam height, bottom. They're wrong, isn't it? It's because my camera position has changed. Okay, I'm not quite sure why, there's a reason why, but it's okay. I'm just gonna work with that knowledge and change that screen bottom to this, right? And then I don't have to think about it anymore. Let's try it out. Wait. Praise me as well? No thanks, I'm not like how do I put it? I'm not into damn it. I do not know how to express myself. I think I know what I want to say. I have a particular disdain for the obsession that people have, right, with people's appearance in general. Yeah, I just don't like it. Okay, but I'm only speaking for myself, of course. So you're praising my avatar? Okay. Damn it, I keep forgetting to lower the volume, hang on. There we go. Okay, let's see. Let's restart all. Freak. I broke it. How did I break it? Oh. Pretty ugly balls. Yeah. Looks like cartoon. Hang on, let me think about this. 50. Wait, what am I doing wrong? Check the top. Supposed to work. Okay. Try this instead. Seems fine. Ah. How do I do this? I should check other aspect ratio. Maybe let's not use is out back. Let's not do that. Let's not use that. It's out quad, how about that? Let me try ESL quad. Can't believe I'm spending like what, an hour on this? What am I doing? Is Hale still here? How long have you been on your internship? Forgot to ask. Okay, we start all. Seems fine. Cupid. I think this is fine. This is fine. Let's try it. Ah, freak! Damn it, my screen just went crazy. Hang on, is everything okay? Oh, display froze. Hang on. Display froze. How did that even happen? Okay. Is this still frozen? Damn it, a lot of things are frozen. Okay, what else is frozen? Is the chat box frozen? Yes. Okay, there we go. Yeah, things got frozen. Look at my screen. What the hell? What the hell? Why is lagging? Damn it. That's annoying. I can't even select my game maker anymore. I think I need to close game maker. Bloody heck. Any better computer? I don't want to hear that from you. Oh man. When are you going to get a new computer? Seems to work fine. Okay, I need to close game maker. Oh my god, what the hell's going on? Oh wow, something is wrong. Hang on. Don't know what happened there. Your MacBook works fine, you don't normally stream composing. Right. I'm talking about a gaming laptop. Yeah, I mean, just a decent enough laptop, you know, that lets you do more stuff. Need to save up money, right. What the? Why am I building to my phone? Oh my god, what the hell's wrong? Let me check if I lost any progress. Damn it. Check if I lost any progress. Nope. No progress lost. That's good. That's good. can read Titan? Oh, that's good. I'll be ending at like probably 1. Yeah. Gaming is not a priority. Yeah. Seems to work. Yeah. Let's try again with a fatter screen. Seems good. Seems good. Seems good. Well, that's one bug done, one bug fixed. Let me check it off my list. Cutscene bug check. Let's write some skeleton code for the in-app purchase manager, I guess. There's still the dynamic music that I'm holding off from working on it. I should do that soon. Okay, just write some scripts. I guess I'll just write it under the ads folder. BRB, see you later. Okay. Oops. So I'm gonna write the in-app purchase manager, or rather the in-app purchase controller. In-app purchase for my game will be very simple. It will just be a purchase for you to get rid of the ads. I might also include some cosmetics, yeah. Cosmetic would be good, I think. Cosmetic together with, it's all packed under a single in-app purchase. I don't want there to be too many in-app purchase. I'm not a fan of it. After this project, I might want to do something that is not freemium. I want to try making a premium title. But probably not mobile. I don't know. Oh, so many things to think about. Going premium on mobile is kinda risky. I'll think about it. Huh? Oh, how am I gonna do in-app purchase? Don't go premium, very risky. Yeah, but you know, working on ads is it's not something I like, to be honest. I think the best case scenario is if I have a, you know, big enough following, right, that no, like people who are willing to buy my games. If I have enough of them, then I will be able to work on premium titles. Yeah, I think for now, I guess my strategy would be to grow the base, right? How am I going to do in-app purchase? Simple, just a purchase to get rid of the ads. Yeah. Can build my following slowly. Yeah. Yeah. So long as I release one thing a year, I guess there will be some progress. One game a year is actually pretty damn slow if you think about it. Considering that there are so many games every year. Okay, I actually do not know how to do this, so give me a moment, I need to think about this. Maybe I will go and download the IAP, the Apple IAP extension. Give me a moment. Game Maker Marketplace. Am I signed in? Let me log in first, eh? So many games come out every week, even just on Steam, let alone mobile. Yeah. I know, right? Mobile is even more saturated. The funny thing is, I make the least on Steam. Yo-Yo Games. Oh, let me see if I can find. Yo-Yo Games. Ultimate Camera, wow. Maybe I'll check it out later. FXAA shader. Anti-aliasing, wow. Anyways, I can't find it here. Steam algorithm is not great for indie devs anymore, right? Especially in recent years where anyone can put a game on Steam for $100. Right. Just want to click on this. Yo-Yo Game. What the? Please. I need this. Okay. Whew. There we go. Okay. Excuse me. Apologies for that. YYMP. Let me just import it into an empty project so I can take a look. Is that Cedric? Hello, Cedric. Hello. How's it going, man? How's your internship coming along? You remember when you were working on your friend's game, he had to get his game greenlit, but yeah. That's how Space Shack got onto Steam. Steam Greenlight. But even Greenlight itself have a lot of problem. Yeah. So they thought like that $100 was the fix to it, but it isn't. It opened up the floodgate. But you know what? Personally, I think it's fine, right? You know, pay $100, put your game on there. It's accessible to everyone, so that's fine. I don't think that's a problem. The main issue now is that to sell games, right, you also need to know business now. You also need to know marketing, which is not something I know, but it's fine, right? That's part of the game, so I'll have to learn how to do it. Internship haven't started. 27th this month. Oh, nice. So you should have time to have fun, play some games. Cedric, yeah, Cedric was in my class for a while. Was he? Yeah, I think yes. One module, I think. Let's see. What should this be? Oh, Apple IAP, right? IAP. You have time to prepare and cry yourself to sleep every night. It's a bit nerve-wracking, right? Yeah. It's a bit nerve-wracking, I guess. It's the rite of passage. We have to go through it. I think the algorithm is what's hurting the small indies the most, since mostly only the popular games. Yeah, but if you think about it from a business standpoint, it makes sense for Steam to do that, right? If something is making money, then they would want to promote it more. So, it's hard to fault them for it, I think. I don't want to speak for them, but you know, it's kind of hard to fault them for what is essentially just business decisions. Hey, wait a minute. You lose a lot of motivation to do a lot of things. Oh, why is that? Is it because of burnout? In that case, you should just, you know, play. Just relax for now. Init is authorized to pay. Add product. The hell is that product? Need to read the documentation. Burnout and no mood. Right. It happens. If you don't have the mood, you don't have to force yourself, right? Like it's not time yet, so you should just play. If I were you, I would just play. Play until you have recovered. Okay, PDF manual is designed for you to use as a reference to the different Apple IAP. These days I try very hard to avoid burnout, because burnout is very, very hard to recover from. In this article, we'll be looking at how you create and test in-app purchase in IAP. Oh no, this is 1 year ago. This is outdated, isn't it? I don't know. I hope it's not outdated. Given that now Epic already gives a higher cut for the devs, more and more people are releasing on Epic Games Store now. I don't think the Epic Game Store is open to everyone at the moment. Right? I think the scope of my game is so small, if I try to apply that, I don't think I will get it. PDF manual is designed for you to use as a reference to the different Apple IP, right? We also recommend that before doing anything with this section, you take a moment to look over the official Apple IAP documentation. It will familiarize you with many of the terms and concepts required to use the extension correctly. Seriously? Damn it. I have to read. Anyways. Yeah, recovering from the burnout from FIP. Right. Yeah, take your time to recover. You don't know you're not a dev. Yeah, I don't think it's open to everyone, Amanda. It's not. What the? Okay, the rest of this manual contains a reference guide to all the functions used by the Apple IAP extension, along with any constants that they may use or return, and examples of code that use them. Some of the examples are extended examples. Function description will mention the use of a private server to verify purchases. This is not strictly required, as the extension supplies a verification method that verifies purchases locally with Apple. Purchases can be made and finalized even without server verification, which is good. However, they highly recommend private server verification. Screw it, I'm not gonna set up a server. They have strict moderation, yes. In order for the function to return a true response, users must download the Apple Inc. root certificate and include it with their project. At the start of the game, check that the user is authorized to buy in-app purchase. Oh my god, that's a lot to do, huh? Let me just write this down. Check user authorized. Then what? If not, disable IAP. Okay. Add products. Basically anyone can apply, I see. But it doesn't mean it gets a... So I guess they open it up a bit. Because it used to be that it's invitation only, right? That's good. After adding the products, but before accepting purchases. Hello, according to Bo. Hello, what's up? After adding the products, but before accepting purchases, query existing purchases, and if there are any unfinished transactions, then deal with them. Look at that. Thanks for the link. What are you selecting? I don't think mine will make it, to be honest, too small. We are prioritizing developers who have flexibility in timing and a willingness to work through the early phases of a story with us. It's not saying much. I feel like you might need to have a decent track record already before they accept you, right? I'm not sure. That's cool. Very cool. They don't say much, yeah, I know, right? It's a good thing it's not invite only anymore, right? After adding the products but before accepting purchases, query existing purchases. And if there are any unfinished transactions, then deal with them. Right. This looks very painful to do. Or at least there are sample codes. This looks very painful to do. My goodness. My goodness. Wait, looking at the wrong project. Let's see. Easing update, I think I need this. Let's write the interface first, I guess. IAP. Just a moment. Next week gonna do some streaming? Composing stream? Oh, nice! That was fun. Just a moment, eh? I need to close Discord and open it up again. Oh my god, what happened to my Discord? Why is it all black? That's dumb. There's something wrong with my display, to be honest. Never mind, I'll check it on my phone. I think someone is messaging me. Next week gonna do composing stream. What do you have in mind? What do you have in mind? I feel like doing a stream for the music and dialogue system. Music and dialogue system. Oh, okay. This is for sometime this week. Sorry, what do you mean by this? I'm not sure if I'm following. You tried doing that stream last time, but your Mac had issues. Guy who repair was like, oh wow, inside was already. Right. You need is authorized for payment. You know what? I'm just gonna copy the functions over. Is authorized for payment. Huh? Just writing a basic interface. Add products, query product. Oh man. Music and dialogue system you did for Heritage Game Jam. You redo that stream. Now that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I see. 2 streams, I see. Heritage Game Jam. How long ago was that? 1 year ago, right? I don't even know what game you worked on. Wait, do I even know you back then? Query products, query purchases. Purchases. Oh, right. Yes. But just that, right? Yeah, just only that. Right. Purchase product. You cannot play my game because yeah, I need to notarize it. That is the problem. Yeah. It's okay. You don't need to play it. It's way too difficult. It's way too difficult. It's like my hardest game ever. Like no kidding. Like no kidding. I want to remake that game at some point. I make it a bit more like streamlined, more friendly. Finish transaction. What is get receipt, validate receipt and all that stuff? Finish transaction. How do I spell transaction? Oops. Transaction, yes. Get receipt. Excuse me. Get receipt. Validate. Receipt. Refresh receipt. You know, making a mobile build is extremely stressful because if there is a problem, right, sometimes the debugging process takes forever. Certain problems takes a long time to figure out. Partly because I lack the experience, so because I don't make a lot of mobile stuff. But still. What are you gonna compose? You posted in your Discord you wanted to compose music you have never written or like listened to, and you're starting off with EDM. Psychedelic trance, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Sounds fun. Alright, so I have this. Time to write one more script. iOS. So now I have to implement two separate IAP controllers. One for iOS, one for Android. One for Google Play, I mean. So iOS, like that. IAP controller. How do I do inheritance again? I forgot. Oopsie daisy. There we go, like that. Got it. Did the painting digitally, right? You follow a tutorial on stream and do that. A tutorial for psychedelic trance. That sounds fun. Tutorial for how to make psytrance. Is that the short form? Psytrance. Psytrance. It's a ring to it. Too lazy to type psychedelic trance. Oh, you typed it. Okay, let's just import the IAP nonsense over. Oh my god, my screen. What the hell, man? Is GameMaker... Is it GameMaker's fault? Hang on. My entire screen is... Oh, GameMaker crashed. God damn it. Is my screen frozen? Yeah, it's not frozen. Surprised. Okay, let me just do a little something. Apple IAP. Or I should call it Apple. Excuse me. I should call it Apple IAP instead of iOS IAP. There we go. Kusentai, thank you. What, Titan's ended his stream? Damn it! I want to read his stream. You have returned from dying inside. Are you okay? I'm writing the skeleton code for IAP. So I want to implement the IAP to get rid of ads. Yeah man, welcome back. It's always good to have you here. You do agree with me regarding how much earlier that people are so obsessed with looks. Yeah, but it still hurts when people call you ugly. So, there's this one thing that annoyed me a lot. This one incident. I had an interview on a local newspaper, right? So it interviewed me about serial scramblers, basically. So in the interview, it's all about like how I went about making it, how the idea came about, and so on and so forth. You know, some slightly random stuff, but you know, stuff that you don't really see in the local papers. And for that article, right, they requested for a photo. So I have no, I don't have a, like, I didn't go to a professional to take a photo, so I just asked my brother, right, to take my photo, and I strike a somewhat dorky pose. I was just smiling at the camera, you know, being a bit goofy. And that is the photo that I mailed over. And when that article got published, some of my peers, right, instead of focusing on the content of the interview, they keep they keep pointing out like how dorky I look, and that's very annoying because I would rather people focus on the content of the interview, you know, like you know, this is a project that I poured my heart out for. So yeah, so yes, I'm always quite annoyed that people tend to, you know, focus on the superficial stuff, you know, rather than the important stuff. I look beautiful. No, that's not my concern. It's not my concern. How I look, I don't really care too much, but it gets a bit annoying when my peers keeps focusing on the goofy photo rather than the content of the interview. Yeah. Hey, Galactic Chimps, hi, how's it going? Your Minecraft client, still working on it? That's good, that's good. That's good. Yeah, but I'm not someone who particularly care about looks. You'll know if you see me, right? Because I don't care about fashion, the way I dress, you know. None of it is important to me. Yeah, but the part that I find annoying is how a lot of people tend to look at the superficial stuff. Yeah. Okay, so where was I? What was I gonna work on? Oh right, this one. You look up serious and I saw my face. Yeah, it's a bit dorky, right? I should not have sent that photo. It's a bit too goofy. But yeah. Anyways, let me just you don't care either, you always wear absolutely ugly clothes. Hey man. Alright man, high five. If you post a selfie, and then people say you're ugly when you post a selfie, it will hurt. Yeah, of course. Although it speaks more about the person commenting, you know, what's wrong with the guy, right? Why would anyone say that? It's a bit, I think some people post mean comments to feel good about themselves, you know. It's a very toxic, I think they have a very toxic need to feel good about themselves because they're insecure, and the only way they can feel good about themselves is to bring down other people. So I think that's very sad, actually. That's very sad. But there are people like that. It didn't look goofy, maybe it was a different photo. You say people comment why you post selfie, not even really. But Albert's got a very handsome face. So that person must be, you know, just out to do damage. Okay, init equals to, what am I supposed to write here actually? iOS IAP underscore init. Do I need to core init? I might not need to core it. A lot of people are trolling cause they think it's funny. It's also the fact that you don't have to talk to them face to face. Yeah. No one would say you're ugly in the actual conversation, but the gap is much larger. Yeah, that's true. Imagine saying that face to face, you get socked in the face. You earn a black eye. Your philosophy online is you have nothing nice to say, just don't say it. Highly recommend blah blah blah. How do I do this again? Do I need to call this? This function will init FYAP and it's called automatically. As such, you should not be using it ever. Okay, good to know. Wait, then what do I do? I have to do this. Is IAP enabled? Okay. Some people's comments are really unnecessary sometimes. Yeah, I feel like the meanest comments could be from actual kids, unsupervised kids, I feel. So try not to think too much about those. You try not to care about random people's opinion online unless it's constructive of use. Oh yeah, constructive feedback, yes. You pray to your Lord and Savior Josiah every day, tell him his answer from you. Yes, yes. Yes, I agree. The same way people just post, this game sucks. Lamau, epic troll. Okay, add product. I feel like I should do all this inside init, you know? So I don't need to like do all this weird stuff. You know what? Let me just do this. Yes, even games that even flawed games takes a lot of work to make. So I kind of just wish that more people would know just how difficult it is to finish a game. Because I think people generally don't understand that making a game, or even a small one, takes a lot of work. It's so hard for some people to ignore stuff for some reason. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, if you think about it, it's quite funny. Like, if you don't like something, why do you think you need to broadcast that to everyone, to the whole world? Even worse, why do you need to broadcast that to the creator? It's like if you read a book, if you don't like the book, would you like, you know, go to Twitter, find the author and scold them? That's weird, right? That's a weird thing to do. Like making a hip hop song is not easy. Yeah, right. You just had this memory blast. You remember the first time you got Game Maker when you were very young? You saw this thing called scripts and you're like, cool, so I can just drop the script from my games in here and it makes the game, right? Yeah, I think at one point, at any, how do I put it, when we first started, we were all pretty naive, right? But over time we learn. Over time we learn. Oh dear. But yeah, I try not to think about those kind of things, you know? No point thinking about it. Okay, actually I have no idea how to do this. What is this? 0, 0. Oh, that means I should make a... Damn it. Oh, damn it. That means I need to go here and figure out these things. I don't think I should be doing this on stream. I have not done this in a long time, I've forgotten everything. Consumable is not what I want to do. I want to make a non-consumable. I don't want to do any subscriptions. Blah blah blah. I need to make a sandbox tester account. Oh right, I forgot all my passwords for my tester accounts. Damn it. If making games were that simple, there would be 1,000 times more game out. Remember people who don't know anything about making music in the modern era? Because now we all work in outdoors and they thought, oh, it's so simple to make music now, you just drag and drop stuff. Some people actually think the computer makes music for us. There are people who write like generative music, but they are nowhere close to the quality of, you know, work made by actual composers. You think there was a program at some point that could make pretty decent music? Using AI, right? But it's probably okay for generic music, but if you're making an actual game, I think it's still best to work with a composer. Now we have our initial IAP set up. The App Store, Mac console. I need to make those first. Like even generative music still needs work. Yes. Maybe I should not have said generative music, but rather the AI based one. There is a platform, right, that proclaim to use AI to generate your music for you based on certain settings that you click. So I'm not sure how they train their AI to do that. But I've not actually tried it out. It was taken out by the creator because some fans were too angry about it for some reason. Oh. Right. People who make sound effects with pure data is just like John has worked with pure data before, I think, for his final year project, but I'm not quite sure how it works. Program was apparently really good. It even fooled some people into thinking it's a lost track from Mozart. Wow. Even though the AI had generated it based on his other works. Right. Look at this, I have to do this, oh my god. I should do this off stream, I think. I should do this off stream. Product queries. Querying your products is not essential. However, doing so means that you can then display up-to-date and localized information about them in your game, rather than hard-coding them. Right. This is painful. This is painful. Validating. Before awarding and finalizing any purchases, they must first be validated. You're trying to learn how to make 8-bit music for your game. Ah. You think you wouldn't fool a person who studied classical music, but you definitely fool most people, right? You know what? I should end it here. Let's see if I can rate anyone. Damn, why is Titan not online? One? Let me check. If it's a big channel, I wouldn't dare to rate. Let me check. He's playing some game called Mini Motorways, right? I think your biggest problem with 8-bit currently is that what you make sounds really bland. Yes, it takes iterations to get there, maybe? Guess you have to keep doing it. Are you making music for your game? Is that what you're doing? Oh yeah, I'm late. You're right. You know what? Yeah, let's end it here. So let me do a quick recap. What I did was I fixed a bug with my cutscene, and then I wrote like basic wrapper for the IAP stuff. Basic wrapper. I need to figure out how to write the IAP code properly, so I'll be researching that off stream. Yeah. Yeah, you do everything for your own game because you have no one in your team. I understand. All the best. Alright, let's do a raid. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks Amanda. Thanks Captain. I'll run the outro and then we do a raid. You have a team of 1. Yes, you do a space background generator too, so a team of 2. Before we go off, what's up? I'll do a raid before we go off. Yeah, let's do that. Thanks, man. Thanks peeps. I'ma type the raid command first. 1 Hasma. No raid message. What's up with Steam? What do you mean? I made Steam. Oh, thanks for the Steam. Oops. Typo, eh? Okay. Thanks, folks. I'll be going. See ya.